All right, yo. So today was Wednesday. All right, so I'm gonna use the replay tool and go back to. Let's see. All right, so this is what we saw looking into today on the 4 hour. So as we, I'm eating chips and guac. So as we can see, pretty much our pullback into the 4 hour, we're still bullish. If you look at the daily chart before, oh, that's Tuesday close. Never mind. That's all good. Yeah. So we were just looking at this pretty much. Body closed above the previous one. This one didn't close above the previous one. This one didn't either. But in my opinion, this is a change in state of delivery. You pulled back down into balanced price range, then went up and closed above it. So I like the look of that. I'm bullish. Uh, if I see any sort of SMT or whatever, obviously I can take it. So drop down to the 4 hour. All right, that was too much. So this is what we were looking at before, and guys, just we need to see a pullback, and then just to continue higher. Like nothing too special. But 4 hour definitely bullish. Daily chart bullish. Now down to the 1 hour. Now this over here. This Monday into Tuesday daily. You saw a daily cycle. So drop down to the 1 hour chart. This guac is really good now. It's growing on me. All right, let's skip to. There's 8 a.m. There we go. So we have no news today, so we expect 9:30 to be manipulation. So pretty much, we had nothing going here. I see True Week down there, New Week opening gap. I want to enter a buy, but I'm waiting. So I literally just patiently waited. Here, drop on the 15. We had some really weak 90 minutes up top somewhere. I think so. No, you didn't. Either way, everything up top over here was just, you can just call it equal highs. Um, that was my draw. When we came down this, I was considering like, okay, I see that we're bearish. When I hit it, I want to see True Week hit. So then I pretty much didn't enter or do anything. Not only because I was waiting till 9:45, but also because I see that there's nothing there. Well, and there's that 9:15. There's 9:30. 9:45 candle. And so when this candle closed, I pretty much saw some stuff. So first of all, this gap over here, right? Second of all, True Week, right, coming up there, right? Uh, we didn't have True Week yet, so I still want to see us hit True Week. So I see us hit True Week that following candle, and look what we have. We have a 15-minute PSP, two 15-minute PSPs back to back, and Dow already closed way above higher. So at this point, I'm like, all right, I'm stupid bullish. And then it was 9:45, so I was pretty confident. And I entered in this candle, and my stop loss was the candle low. So here, I'll show you guys that. So you see, I entered in that candle, stop loss candle low, left when we were in here because ES took the highs first. So I should buy and then just let it run. Left in this area, and that was it. So the main reason for my entry, when we closed, so we closed higher, right? So I saw the two 50-minute PSPs be a true week, and then on the 1 hour chart, I saw this 1 hour, about 1 hour PSP, and I also saw a 4 hour PSP right here. So I saw those two PSPs forming, and so I entered 5 minutes prior, so 9:40, 9:50 something. I mean, so there was that, and I just held it, and I left. To be more exact, I left it this candle right here. I think in the middle of it. Yeah, in the middle of it, right here. That was my exact exit. And I'll show you guys that right here. So there's the trade. It's definitely a lot harder than it looks, but it's still pretty clean. There's the 15-minute. Just bam, bam. And this is the first day on this express. We'll see how we'll see how tomorrow goes. But I set up the auto lock till 9:45 a.m. because I find it really important to wait for all of 9:30 to finish. Because think about it, if there's news, then we're gonna expand and continue expanding through the rest of the AM session. So it's okay to skip that 9:30 opening. But if we don't have news and we have 9:30 manipulating, like in today's case, 9:30 literally just spiked lower, manipulated, then what's the point of entering until past 9:45 anyway to catch the main move, which is back into the MXM? Well, 9:45 or later is always my perfect entry from now on. I wasn't too in-depth and descriptive how I usually am with these reviews, but I'm tired. I want to talk a lot. So that's it. Bye-bye.